Right, question 26. Danny lives 1500 metres away from his school. He walks to school at the same constant speed every day, starting at 8 o'clock. The graph below shows the start of his journey one day, and then, right, we're going to complete this. When he travelled 1000 metres, he realised that he left his dinner money in the house, so he turned around, arriving back at his home at 8:30. So we can show that on here. You can see clearly that after 1000 metres he went back home, okay, to get his dinner money, and he got back to his house at 8:30, so straight back down, okay. 8:30 is back home again. He immediately set off from his home running at a steady speed, so that he ran a distance of 500 metres every 5 minutes until he reached his school. Now he's going at a steady speed, which means his speed is the same rate, okay, so we can draw a straight line here, but it's 500 metres, okay, every 5 minutes, okay. So if you look at the scale down here now, every 5 minutes, well, I think we can establish here that that's 840, isn't it, there? That's 840, and that's 850, okay, so that's every 5 minutes there, and he travels 500 metres, so we're going to be there, aren't we, at 8:35, and then the 8:40 is going to be at 1000, so we get the idea. Okay, so we can just those 3 points there, join them up, okay, and we get the journey then all the way to school. So school's up here, of course, okay, school's up here. So then dealing with part B, okay. Danny arrived at school later than usual. How many minutes later than usual did Danny arrive at school? Well, if we look here, you arrived at this time, which is 8:45, okay, that's the time you arrived. Now what time would have you arrived? Now if you look at this here, you would have been going at this rate, wouldn't you, and you wouldn't have stopped, okay. So if you look at this here, you would have arrived at that time, wouldn't you? Don't need to draw it in, I don't need to draw it in, I just need to look at what time you would have arrived, going by that slope there that we've got on that line. Continue it with a ruler, you can see he would have arrived at that time, which is 8:30. Okay, so you can see then he's arrived 15 minutes late. Okay, so you can write those 2 times down, okay, instead of 8:30, so it's 15 minutes late.